Hello dear students, this class is about methods in Java. First, let's study method structure. Each method structure is as return type, method underscore name, then start the curly brace. Inside this curly braces, write the code block, then end these curly braces. Every method is written inside a class. Okay. Now the definition of method. What is a method? A method is a group of instructions to do a specific task. When we need to perform any specific task, like we need to sum two numbers, or we have to subtract two numbers, or we have to find the percentage of any number, we have to create a method. Okay? But we cannot create a method without creating a class. Since Java is an object-oriented programming language, so for creating any method, first we need to create a class. Then inside that class, we have to write the method and we have to perform our specific task. Okay. Now each method consists of 4 parts. What are these 4 parts? We can easily see from this example. Each method should have a return type, return underscore type we have written, but no, this is not just the format. We have to mention the return type. The return type is the data type of the value returned by the method. Examples are int, void or float. So whenever we are creating any method, we have to mention the return type of the method, whether it's int or it's void or it's float. Okay. There are mostly 3 return types. These are int for integer, void and float for floating point numbers. Okay. Now name of the method. Okay. The name of the method which must follow camel case convention. We will later study what is camel case convention, but for time being, let's learn the examples. Okay. Example of naming method, calculate total. Here the entire calculate is written in lower case numbers, but when we are writing total, the first is T is written in uppercase number. This is the format of method name. Okay. Similarly, get username. Here get is entirely written in lower case number, but when we are using user, the first letter U is starting with uppercase. Similarly, print report. Print is entirely written in lower case, but later when the report is starting, only the starting value, only the starting point should be uppercase. Only the starting letter. Only the starting one should be uppercase and the rest is lowercase. Okay. Now parameters. Parameters are some data given to the method and the method uses this data inside its body. Okay. So parameters are nothing but some data given to the method and the method uses this data inside its body. For example, here we have created a method called my method and we have given 2 parameters, int num, string text. Here num is a parameter of type integer and text is another parameter of type string. Okay. Now the main thing, body of the method. Body of the method is enclosed between braces and contains the code to perform the intended task. Okay. So here it is the first part, the return type of the method. This should be void or int or float. Then we write the method name, which must be written in camel case convention. Then we have to start the curly braces. Inside this curly braces, we have to write the body of the method. And inside this body, we have to pass some parameters and then end these curly braces, method is ending. So return type, method name, body of the method, and inside this body, we have our parameters. Okay. Now main is a special kind of method. Every Java code is starting with main method and main is a very special kind of method.